Hello sir, today I am going to present to you my special assignment, real-time collaboration system. This is a collaboration text editor which I have made here. Uh, so firstly we will look at the program.cs file which I have created. Actually I have here used in this whole project actually I have used ASP.NET MVC for whole model view controller. Also, I've used SignalR, which is not in our syllabus, but it was needed for this real-time thing, so that everything updates and edits in real time, and it is available on all the clients for all the clients, whatever it is updated for. So that for that reason, I've used SignalR. I don't have much knowledge, but I'll try to explain as much as I can. Also, at first I was not going to integrate SQLite into this, but the problem was whenever I updated some document, it was not saving. So obviously I had to have some database. So I used SQLite here. At first it was not integrated. First I just ran uh, the model view controller web app using SignalR, but yeah, let's see what I can explain here. Firstly, I have included all the libraries here. Some of them are created because in the latest ASP.NET, these libraries are already included, so we didn't have to include these. The highlighted ones were needed. So also we have here this builder.services.add This is part of the SignalR library, which I've used here. It actually maps the real-time collaboration thing, like the real-time, so that everything works in real time. So this library adds that. We have also have DB context, which actually maps the SignalR hub. I mean the database for storing text, because it's the database which we have here. Also, this is all the same, the program.cs library, program.cs file. The different thing here is the Collab hub, which actually integrates with the hub folder, which I've uh, which I've made here explicitly, and which has this collabhub.cs file which I've created. So it actually integrates with it and maps it. So next we'll look at collabhub.cs. Same, I've included the SignalR library here, and this is the file name, which has the namespace. There were some minor errors. At first, I didn't include the namespace, due to which there were many errors, so I had to include it. Looking at here, this if document is not equal. This is for the persistence that the document handles real-time data. At first, it was not added, but so it was not updating in real time. But due to this one, it verifies that it is continuously there. Like there is no connection fault or something like that. Uh, Also, this receive text. This is also like this is a type of function which is not predefined, but I've defined here. This is the like a message. This is sent between the clients, such that it updates all the files. Next, we will look at FDB. Now we will look at. So now we look at home controller.cs. I actually not made another like page. Uh, I've just integrated into the pre-made home controller.cs. So directly when we will go to the local host port, it will directly load the collab text editor. So this was needed for the SQLite integration, so that it stores the data, loads the document, and updates everything in the SQLite database, which we can see here, database. This is something I stored. Like this was a file which I made, and I was just testing. So this is here. Everything is being stored here. Now we will take a look at index.cshtml in the views folder in home. As I've already said, I made the web page on the home file only, so that directly when we click on the port, it will directly show us. There is no need to go to some other path. So yeah, it is just the basic CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and also I have here integrated jQuery and SignalR. jQuery was much needed here. Like it has good, it collaborates with the jQuery collaborates with the SignalR to like process in real time. Like when the user sends some data, it will update. It will update others editor. Like I will show you this in the output file. I will when I will run it. So moving forward, let's look. Now let's look at document.cs. Here actually it's just like initializing the database or like just the content and the ID, which we can see here. Here's the content, here's the ID. So it actually maps or just initializes it. And now we'll look at have a look at data folder which has appdb context.cs. There's not much here. It just maps the documents file, the document database, like the document.cs file here, and it just integrates. So in the document.cs file which we have created here, actually we have stored the we have actually created here a document. It's actually a table made in the SQLite database, and which it integrates as it has the ID and the content, which is like the string which will store the data, and ID is just for the group name which I have made in the HTML part. It is just a button, like uh, it is actually the name of the document, so it just tags it with the ID so that it is mapped according to it. So here in the appdb context.cs file, we have this db set which integrates it with the SQLite database and tells it to make a table name document. Next we will move on to, now we will finally move on to our output demonstration. So let me open the terminal. Let me compile it. Now let's run it. So yeah, this was the thing I made earlier. So firstly we will make a duplicate tab in parallel to this. Now we will name anything we want. So let's name it hello. Let's join the group. Okay. Here also we name it hello, and let's join the group. Okay. So let me type something. This is hello world. Okay. So looking at here, it is directly in the real time. It has integrated and it has updated, and we can view it. At first, it was not there. There was some problems which I have updated in the report. There was some problem with it, which is the content delivery network. I had the content delivery network actually helped me make this code better, because at first there was some problem. Now, so we will look at the database if it has really updated it. So here it is. You can say this is hello world, and this is the ID. Okay. So that's about it. Thank you, sir.